Global temperature changes are a pressing issue of our time, characterized by a significant and unprecedented rise in Earth's average temperature. These changes, often referred to as global warming or climate change, are primarily caused by human activities, particularly the emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The consequences of rising temperatures include shifts in weather patterns, rising sea levels, increased frequency of extreme weather events, and detrimental impacts on ecosystems and human health. Addressing global temperature changes requires urgent and collective action to mitigate greenhouse gas emissions, transition to sustainable practices, and adapt to the inevitable effects of a changing climate. Understanding global temperature changes. Definition and measurement. This section introduces the concept of global temperature changes and explains how scientists measure and analyze these changes using various instruments and methodologies. Historical perspective. Explore the historical context of global temperature changes, highlighting key milestones in climate research and providing an overview of temperature variations over the past centuries. Causes of global temperature changes. Greenhouse effect. Discuss the natural greenhouse effect and its role in maintaining Earth's temperature balance. Explain how human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, have intensified the greenhouse effect and contributed to global temperature rise. Anthropogenic factors. Elaborate on the significant human-induced factors responsible for global temperature changes, including greenhouse gas emissions, land use changes, industrialization, and population growth. Natural factors. Discuss natural factors that can influence global temperatures, such as solar radiation, volcanic activity, and natural climate variability, emphasizing their relative contributions compared to human-induced factors. Consequences of global temperature changes. Environmental impacts. Explore the effects of rising global temperatures on ecosystems, including shifts in climate patterns, sea level rise, species extinction, and extreme weather events. Discuss the potential consequences for biodiversity, agriculture, and water resources. Human health. Analyze the impact of global temperature changes on human health, including increased heat waves, the spread of diseases, air pollution, and food security issues. Highlight vulnerable populations and regions that are disproportionately affected. Mitigation and adaptation strategies. Mitigation measures. Present various strategies to mitigate global temperature changes, such as transitioning to renewable energy sources, energy efficiency improvements, carbon capture and storage, and international agreements like the Paris Agreement. Adaptation measures. Discuss adaptation strategies to cope with the impacts of global temperature changes, including sustainable agriculture practices, coastal protection measures, urban planning for heat resilience, and the importance of international cooperation. Future outlook. Summarize current scientific projections and models regarding future global temperature changes, considering different emission scenarios. Discuss the potential consequences of inaction and the need for immediate and collaborative efforts to address this global challenge. Global temperature changes significantly threaten the planet and human well-being. By understanding the causes, consequences, and potential solutions, we can collectively work towards mitigating these changes and adapting to their effects.